I have a dog. His name is Max. He is small and very cute. Max has brown ears, black eyes, and a short tail. His fur is soft and white. He is my best friend. I love Max very much. Every day I play with Max in the yard. The yard is behind my house. It is not big, but Max loves it. There is green grass, a few trees, and some flowers. Max likes to run on the grass. He runs in circles. He is very fast. In the morning, I open the door. Max jumps out. He is very excited. He sees a red ball near the tree. He runs to the ball. I walk to him and pick up the ball. Max looks at me. He wants to play. I smile and say, "Let's play, Max." I throw the ball. Max runs after it. He catches it with his mouth. Then he brings it back to me. I say, "Good boy." Max wags his tail. I throw the ball again. He runs fast. He likes the game. Sometimes Max sees a butterfly. He tries to catch it. He jumps, but he cannot catch it. The butterfly flies away. Max looks at me. I laugh. Max is funny. There's also a small stick on the ground. Max likes the stick too. I throw the stick. He runs and finds it. Then he lies down and chews the stick. He looks happy. After some time, Max gets tired. He sits under the tree. He drinks some water. I sit beside him. The sun is warm. The wind is soft. I look at Max. He looks at me. I say, "You are a good dog, Max." We stay in the yard for a long time. I talk to Max. Max listens. He does not speak, but I know he understands. He puts his head on my leg. I pet him. He closes his eyes. Max is calm. Do you have a dog? What games do you play with your dog? I think dogs are great friends. Max is not just a dog. He is part of my family. I love to play with him every day. Playing in the yard with Max makes me happy. I think Max is happy too. He likes to run, jump, and play. He likes to be with me, and I like to be with him. In the afternoon, I take Max to the park. The park is near my house. We walk there together. I hold his leash. Max walks next to me. He is quiet, but he looks around. There are many things to see. There are big trees, green grass, and flowers. Max sees a bird. He wants to run, but I say, "No, Max." He stops. I smile. Max is a good dog. We keep walking. The sun is in the sky. The weather is nice. We walk to the lake. The lake is small. There are ducks in the water. Max looks at the ducks. He does not bark. He only watches. I ask, "What do you see, Max?" He wags his tail. There are other people in the park. Some children play with a ball. Some people sit on benches. Max looks at them. He is calm. A little boy comes near. He asks, "Can I pet your dog?" I say, "Yes, you can." The boy pets Max. Max licks his hand. The boy laughs. We walk more. There is a small bridge. We cross the bridge. Max looks down at the water. He can see fish. He tries to touch the water with his paw, but I hold his leash. I say, "Be careful, Max." After the bridge, there is a big tree. We sit under the tree. I take out a bottle of water. Max drinks. I drink too. I ask, "Are you tired, Max?" He lies down. I know he is tired, but he is happy. We stay in the park for a long time. I talk to Max. He listens. He cannot speak, but I feel he understands. I say, "You are the best dog." Max wags his tail. When the sun goes down, we walk home. Max walks slowly. He is tired, but he's still happy. We had a good walk. We saw trees, birds, ducks, people, and fish. It was a good day at the park. Where do you walk your dog? Do you go to the park too? Max and I love the park. We will go again tomorrow. After we come home from the park, Max walks to his bowl. He is hungry. I take a can of dog food from the shelf. I open it and put the food in his bowl. Max smells the food. He wags his tail. He eats very fast. I sit at the table and eat my dinner too. I have rice and vegetables. I drink a glass of water. Max finishes his food and looks at me. I ask, "Are you full, Max?" He barks once. I think that means yes. After dinner, Max brings his toy. It is a small yellow ball. He drops it near my feet. I pick it up. Max looks at me and waits. I say, "Do you want to play again?" Max barks. I throw the ball across the room. Max runs and catches it. We play for a short time. Then Max sits down. He is tired again. I say, "Let's rest now." I clean the room. I put Max's toy in the box. Max watches me. He yawns. I know he wants to sleep. I go to the bedroom. Max follows me. There is a small bed for Max next to my bed. He lies down on it. I turn off the light. The room is dark. It is quiet. I sit on my bed. I look at Max. I say, "Good night, Max." Max lifts his head. He looks at me. Then he puts his head down. He closes his eyes. I smile. Max is sleeping. I lie down too. I think about the day. We played in the yard. We walked in the park. We had dinner. We played again. It was a good day. I am happy. Max is happy. Do you play with your dog at night? What does your dog like to do before bed? Dogs love simple things. Max loves to eat, play, and sleep. I love Max. He is my best friend. Tomorrow we will have another fun day together. Lesson 2. My name is Lucy. I have a dog. His name is Max. He is brown and white. He is small but strong. Max loves to explore. He can run, jump, and sniff very well. One day we go for a walk near the river. The sun is warm. The sky is blue. The wind is soft. I wear my red hat. Max wears his leash. We walk together. I say to Max, "Let's go this way." Max is excited. He runs a little, then stops. I follow him. There are many trees near the river. The grass is green. I hear birds in the trees. Max looks left and right. He smells the ground. What does he smell? I do not know. I ask, "What is it, Max?" He keeps sniffing. Then he runs to a big tree. Max stops and barks. I walk to him. There is a small box under the tree. Where did it come from? I do not know. Max found it. I say, "Good boy, Max. Let's see what is inside." I open the box. Lure, there is a red toy inside. There is also a small note. I read the note. It says, "Thank you for finding this. You are part of a treasure game." I look at Max. He wags his tail. He jumps and barks again. He is happy. I laugh. I say, "Did you find a treasure, Max?" He looks proud. We sit on the grass. Max plays with the toy. It is a soft red ball. He bites it and runs around. I look at the river. There are ducks in the water. Max sees the ducks. He does not run to them. He is busy with his new toy. Then I ask, how many more boxes are there? I do not know, but Max can help me find them. He is a smart dog. He likes to help. I say, Max, we will come back tomorrow. He barks and wags his tail again. Max is not just my pet. He is my friend. He is also my helper. That day was special. Max found a surprise. We had fun together. I will always remember that day. The next day, Max and I go back to the river. The weather is nice. There's a cool wind. I wear my jacket. Max runs ahead. He's very happy. He loves this place. I say, where are you going, Max? He runs fast. I walk quickly to follow him. Max stops near a big bush. He does not bark. He stands very still. I come closer. Behind the bush, I see a small cat. The cat is white and gray. She looks scared. She does not move. Max sits down and looks at her. He does not make a sound. I say, what is that, Max? He looks at me. I walk slowly to the cat. I kneel down and speak softly. Hello, little cat. Are you okay? The cat looks at me. She blinks. Then she walks a little. She walks to Max. They touch noses. Max wags his tail. There is a small paper on the cat's collar. I read it. It says, my name is Bella. Please help me. I pick up Bella. She is light. She is cold. I wrap her in my scarf. Max walks next to me. We walk home together. At home, I put Bella in a soft blanket. I give her some food. She eats slowly. She is very hungry. Max lies down near her. He watches her eat. He is calm and quiet. I say, Max, you did something good today. He looks at me and wags his tail. After some time, Bella finishes eating. I give her some water. She drinks a little, then she lies down. Max stays close. He is like a big brother. I smile. I feel proud. What did we do today? We helped a lost cat. That is something kind. That night, Bella sleeps in a small bed near the window. Max sleeps next to her. I turn off the light. I look at them one more time. They look happy. I say, good night, Max. Good night, Bella. You are both safe now. Max is not only my dog. He is kind and smart. He helps others. I love him so much. He is my hero.